Hello there everyone. I'm doing a review. Today I'm reviewing the House-Autry Southern Style Chicken Fry Mix. Got this from Dollar Tree. This will be my first time trying it. So I shared my chicken back recipe before on YouTube. So today I'm going to fry it off camera, and then I'm going to come back and show you, how I feel about this mix here. Like I said, I got this from Dollar Tree, and I'm not sure how it's going to take because my recipe is pretty good for the chicken backs. Those that don't eat chicken backs, they have a lot of bones. They're real crispy and real crunchy, and they are good. So they make a nice snack because it's not a whole lot of meat on it. So they make a nice snack. So like I said, I'm going to cook it and I'll come back and I'll try it on camera. I just wanted to try out this mix here. I'm finished frying my chicken backs. I'm going to let you see what it looks like if it doesn't fall out. It look like, and I know this looks like a lot. It's 5 pieces, but by the time you clean them, get all that extra fat off them and stuff, it's just a snack, y'all. So I'm going to put some on my plate. Start to eat. And let you know what I feel about the House-Autry Southern Style chicken fry mix. So let me start. It's good. Some of you may want to put a little bit of salt in it. Let me see what the ingredients are. It's saying that it has 470 milligrams of salt. That's 20%. Maybe I should have shaken that mix up maybe, but it doesn't really taste much salt. It's good, but when you have a mother that can, a Southern mother, your chicken gonna taste like this or better anyway. But for someone that if you really don't know how, which a lot of people, most people know how to fry some chicken. If you don't know how, get some of this. It's nice and crispy. It's good. It's very good. I made some one time for my oldest grandson. He said, "Grandma, chicken backs?" I said, "Yes, chicken backs." My daughter was eating them. She was tearing them up the last time I made some. I think this is a good product for Dollar Tree. It is. It's good. Don't sleep on it. So you see how fast I tore that up, right? Because there's not that much meat on it. I I got a bone here that's real crispy. That's so good. I'm not going to eat it all on camera, but this is delicious. I will never be a mukbang channel because even though I'm fat, y'all, I can't eat a lot at one time. No, we can't. Sometimes I eat the wrong stuff, though. That's my problem. So I just want to tell you to pick some of this up, especially if you don't know how to make good fried chicken. You know, I'm not making fun of people who don't, because if you don't know, you don't know. That's why a lot of these videos are important that we be watching. But if you really don't know how to make nice, crispy, good chicken, buy some of this. And it'll make it so much easier. You know. I know what seasonings to use, you know, to make it good, but it's better than I thought it was going to be, honestly. But mine doesn't taste like it really has that much salt on it, but it's still good. So that's the end of my video. Pick some of this up from Dollar Tree. I'm going to try some other things that they have. I did a haul. I don't know if I put it up yet. But if I did, I have something else out of that haul that I'm going to try. And y'all have a great day. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Turn on the notifications bell. Okay?